Hello. Can I have the one of the tasting platter for one, please?
Good. Just the one? That's all for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
엄마가 제일 좋아하는 진짜. Hello. Can I have the one of the tasting platter for one, please?
Good. Just the one? That's all for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Good, good. How about you? Can we have the one of the largest slushy, please?
Yeah, just lemon today?
Lemon, please. Oh, that's good.
Thank you so much. You can have a strawberry.
Say thank you.